Hi, I'm Catherine.
And I'm Kylie, and this is our senior project, the class of 2018.
Here we're at Animal Assisted Happiness, which is a place with trained therapy animals that bring smiles to children with special needs. Here are some of our class working with the goats and helping to clean their pen.
For our senior project, we created directional poles just like this one to show the children where the animals are.
We were lucky enough to have all of our supplies for our directional signposts donated by Home Depot,
which allowed us to use our philanthropy budget to get even more materials to give back to AAH.
I love volunteering at AAH because it combines my two favorite things, working with children and animals.
I love volunteering at AAH because I get to meet new friends.